Hi everyone, this is question number 25 in Practice Formative of Chapter 4. Okay, so we have to calculate the number of ways to form groups. To form groups, we have to use the combination. Okay, only when we see a range, we use permutation. So this one, forming groups, grouping, choosing committee, combination. 9 students are divided into 2 groups of 4 and 5 students respectively. That means for part A, we have 9 students. First, we choose any 4. You want to start with choosing any 5 is fine. After we have chosen any 4, we're left with 5. Therefore, the remaining 5 students will form their own group. Okay, or if we choose 9C5, so the remaining will be for C4. And you will notice that 9C4 is actually equivalent to 9C5. That shows that there is no difference whether you choose 4 in a group first or you choose 5 in a group first, because they are the same. And NCN is always equals to 1. It is the same as NC0. Okay, all right. So all in all, this is a very important concept. NCR is equivalent to NC n minus R. All right, they are the same. So let's use the calculator. All right, we have 9C4. Okay, 126. Let me just prove to you 9C5 we also get 126. Okay, we also get this. And 5C5, okay, let's go back to 9C4. All right, times 5C5, because we just left with 5 students for us to choose all 5. We get 126. So that is for part A. Let's move on to part B. We have to form 3 groups of 2, 3, and 4 students respectively. Therefore, first, we have 9 students. We get 2 of them in a group. All right. After 2 form in a group, we're left with 7 of them. So we have, out of 7, we choose the 3 students to form in a group. After 3 already forming their own group, we're left with 4 students, and they will form their own group automatically. Therefore, you have 4C4. Let's put all this together. So 9C2 times with 7C3, and then times with 4C4. Right, you don't key in 4C4 is fine as long as you understand that NCN is 1. So the answer over here is 1,260 ways to form 3 groups. Okay, and then part C, we have to form 2 groups in which the difference between the group members must be at least 3 people. Okay, so this one we have to arrange in such a way the 2 groups, let's call them A and B. Okay, now forming groups means each group we must have someone in. So we cannot have 9-0, that will be just one group. So we start with 8 and 1. So isn't it the difference is 7 people? Okay, let's move on. We may also have 7 in group A and then 2 in group B. The difference is still more than 3. And then continue, we have 6 and this is 3. The difference is 3. Now we cannot move on anymore. Why? Because if we choose 5 and then 4, the difference is only 1. So we don't want that, because it says the difference between the group member must be at least 3 people. At least means minimum 3 people. That's the difference. So we don't want this 5 and 4. So we have 3 different scenarios here. So it's either 8 and 1, or 7 and 2, or 6 people and 3 people. So when you see this, or we plus. One after another, we multiply. Therefore, the number of ways will be 9 people, we choose 8, and then followed by 1C1, or, so we plus. Okay, the second group will be 9, we choose 7, followed by 2C2, or 9, we choose 6, followed by 3C3. Therefore, Let's just put them together. Okay, we put 9, C8. So 9 ways to choose this. And then 9C7. 9C7. 36 ways. All right. And then the third scenario, we have 9C6. 84 ways. Now, I don't key in this because I know that will be 1, so no point keying in. So let's just put these two together, these three numbers together. We have 36 plus 84, 120 plus 9, so 129 ways. 129 ways to form these two groups with the difference at least 3 people. Okay, that's it for question number 25.